break. This is the all-new Realme Note 60. They say this phone is hard to break, and now it's time to open it. Okay, we finally see the phone. During the die casting process of the mainboard cover, we added 4 solid reinforcing ribs on both sides and in the middle, creating integrated metal inner frame. Let me show you a lab video to illustrate this, where you can see the Note 60 structure bending resistance is more than twice that of competitor's solution. The Note 60 achieves IP64 dust and water resistance. Armor shell protection brings strong quality like bend resistance